Okay, sorry I had to cancel class today. I have a sick kid at home and it's pretty bad, and so I'm playing nurse today and hoping that I don't get it as well. Um, okay, so I wanted to do a video since we won't have class today, kind of in a way cover the stuff that we would have covered in class. So this week is chapter 4, and that is literally titled Writing a Rhetorical Analysis. And then your next thing that you do is write a rhetorical analysis, okay? So make sure that you study chapter 4 well. That's going to give you all the information really that you need for this. Also, A3 lends to this conversation as well. You'll have one discussion this week that has something to do with chapter 4, an article in that. I have also added this extra discussion because I'd like for you to share with the class what article you are choosing. And we're going to talk about that in just a moment. There's only 3 to choose from, okay? There's only 3 to choose from. I can't reiterate that enough. But just share here, and that way it will help me plan Monday's class a little bit better. Okay, so back to the assignment that you're looking ahead here. So all of this has to do with writing a rhetorical analysis, and then you are actually going to start writing a rhetorical analysis and the draft, just your first draft. We're going to do process on this where we have the first draft, then we peer review, then you get a chance to do the final draft. The draft is due Monday by class time. See that it closes at 1:30, so don't wait till the last minute. Get it submitted before class time. I don't want to take class time waiting for people to submit. And you're going to write a rhetorical analysis, and you have to choose one of 3 articles, and these are down here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So look around at them. All 3 deal with building the wall on the Mexican border. What is interesting, though, that the most recent article is from 2012. That shows you that this conversation is not a new one. There are 3 different viewpoints here, and so I would like for you to read over each of these and decide, just which one looks most interesting, maybe which one you can understand the best, depending on your own viewpoints and that sort of thing. Okay, so 3 different articles, choose one. They're each they're 2 to 2.5 pages long is all they are. They're not very long at all. Okay. And also, when you get ready to cite your source, I have the references listed here so that you can just copy and paste on your references page. You will need a references page for this. Pay attention to your APA section in a writer's reference to make sure that you're getting it right. We are not doing title page. We're not doing abstract, but you will need to cite sources. Cite your source as you use it in the essay. So, if the author says something, then, give credit to the author. There are no page numbers on this because it is just an online database source. Okay, so anyway, so you see here are your references that you can use for your reference page whenever you decide which one you're doing. Okay, another thing, here's a little helper here. If you ever get stuck or you need help, oh no, of course. Well, I'll see if I can locate another helper for you. That's about my day, right? Let's see if this one is it. Oh, still not found. I guess they deleted it. I'll find another source for you, but so just read chapter 4, though. If you read chapter 4 and you look at the instructions here, you should be fine. This is a short essay. It's about 350 words at least. Certainly no more than 2 pages. Keep it in third person point of view. No I, me, my, or you. Okay, I think that'll do it. Again, sorry I couldn't have class today. Just make sure you're keeping up with everything. Make sure you're doing the reading because the reading, that's it. It drives everything that we do. So read and study chapter 4 and get your draft done, and then you'll move into chapter 5 for next week. All right, I'll see you next week.